Percent. In this video, we'll discuss how to convert percentages to decimals, decimals to percents, and a fraction to a percent. Here are some notes to keep in mind. To convert a percent to a decimal, we divide by 100. To convert a decimal to a percent, we multiply by 100. To convert a fraction to a percent, we divide the numerator, which is the top number, by the denominator, which is the bottom number. Now let's look at some examples. Convert the following percent to a decimal. To convert percentages to decimals, we need to divide by 100. So we'll take the number 5.75 and divide by 100. Remember that fraction bar is the same as a division symbol. You can type in 5.75 divided by 100 on your calculator and you should get a decimal value of 0.0575. Now I want to note that dividing by 100 is the same thing as moving the decimal 2 places to the left. So you can simply just move the decimal 2 places to the left, or you can divide using your calculator. You'll still get the same answer of 0.0575. To type this answer into MyMathLab, place your cursor in the text box. Next, type in a 0 on your keyboard, followed by the period or decimal point, and then 0.575. Write the decimal as a percent. Now we have a decimal value and we want to convert to a percentage. To do this, we're going to multiply by 100. So we'll take the decimal 0.374 and multiply by 100. Therefore, we get 37.4%. Now I want to note that multiplying by 100 is the same as moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. 1, 2. So you can multiply that decimal, or you can just move the decimal 2 places to the right and we'll still get the answer of 37.4%. The answer to this question is 37.4%. Notice that in MyMathLab, the percent symbol is already next to the answer box, so we only need to type in 37.4. Place your cursor in the text box and type in 37.4. Convert the fraction to a percent. Here we have 9/16. Remember, this fraction bar is the same thing as a division symbol. It means division. So on the calculator, type in 9 divided by 16. We should get a decimal of 0.5625. Now this is our decimal value, but our problem asks us to convert it to a percent. Therefore, we're going to take our decimal and now multiply it by 100. Remember, multiplying by 100 is the same thing as moving the decimal 2 places to the right. So my percent is 56.25%. The answer to this problem is 56.25%. The percent symbol is already in MyMathLab, so all we need to type in is 56.25.